So now the next chapter is chapter number 5, presentation software special effect. This chapter will cover the 8 topics. So first topic is introduction to PowerPoint, second starting PowerPoint, third built-in templates, fourth creating a blank presentation with design theme, fifth enhancing the look of a presentation, sixth changing slide layout, seventh adding shape, and eighth running a slideshow. So these 8 topics we will cover in this chapter. The name of the chapter is presentation software special effect. Let's start the first topic, introduction to PowerPoint. So PowerPoint is a presentation program developed by Microsoft. It provides various views and tools. A PowerPoint presentation is also known as a slideshow. And the fourth point is we can add text, sound, video, and animation to our presentation using PowerPoint. So this is the introduction to PowerPoint. The next topic is second point, that is a starting PowerPoint. So these are the steps to start a PowerPoint window. So first is click on Start button. Second, click on All Programs. Third, click on Microsoft Office. And the fourth is click on Microsoft Office 2010. In your tables, the Microsoft Office 2010 mention. So let's perform these all steps. This is the Start button. So first point is click on Start button. This is the Start menu. From this menu, we have to select the All Programs. Click on it. Afterwards, click on Microsoft Office. This one. Now the All Programs will open here. So in these programs, we have to select Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Now this is a PowerPoint 2007, not 2010. By the same procedure. So click on Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2007, click on it. Now this is the program window of PowerPoint. On a title bar we can see Presentation to Microsoft PowerPoint. So this is the program window of Microsoft PowerPoint. After that, the next point is third number, built-in templates. So templates provide a quick way to create a new PowerPoint presentation. They contain layout, theme, colors, font, effects, background styles, and the content. And if we want to download any template over internet, for that our computer should be connected to the internet to download online templates. This is the Microsoft PowerPoint program window. So click on. Now for built-in template, so firstly click on Office button. After that, click on New. After that, click on Installed Templates. Now these all are the installed templates. Now let us select the first one, that is a classic photo album, and after that click on Create button. Now see the built-in template applied. So we can change these all slides. So this is a inbuilt template. These are the steps followed in Microsoft Office 2007. Because in my computer 2007. So these are the steps for 2010. Firstly, click on File tab, this one. After that, click on New. Here, this is a blank presentation. And this is a sample template. You have to click on Sample template. From which we have to select the any template, this one, and at the last click on Create button. This is the steps followed in Microsoft Office 2010. So I again repeat the steps. Firstly, click on File tab. Second, click on New. Third, click on Sample Template. Fourth, click on any sample template. Fifth, click on Create button, and the selected template appear in the PowerPoint window. So these are the steps to apply the built-in template. Like this, if we click on File tab, after that these all menus will appear, in which we have to click on Installed Template, and after that you will select the any installed template from here. For example, we will select the classic photo album. After selecting this, click on Create button. If we click on Create button, then they will apply the all template on all slides. Like this one, the first slide, second, third, fourth, fifth. These all are the built-in templates. Now the next topic is fourth topic, creating a blank presentation with design theme. So rest of the chapter I will explain in my next video. Thank you.